Welcome back to the channel. I never really got the chance to go through my rite of passage of wearing the black signature hair, so I'll be trying that out in this video. Before I jump in, if you're not yet a part of the squad, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, become a squaddy. Also click the post notification bell to know whenever I do post a new videos, because me and you, consistency, okay? Go back and look at the other few videos and you see how consistent I've been posting. So jumping right in, my hair is freshly washed. I kept this in the ponytail to keep it stretched. It's now dry. Let me just brush up my grannies real quick. So we're starting off. I am going to use the twist and curl method, but without the rod. Since quarantine started, my sleep schedule has been jacked up, and I'm not gonna put rods in my hair to lessen my sleep schedule even more. So we ain't gonna do that. We're going to twist my hair and then bantu knot it and see how the style comes out for the afro. Additionally, I'll be using the blue hair paint wax as well to add a little bit of funk. You're probably wondering, isn't a twist out and braid out technically an afro? No, because it got a part. We ain't doing parts. So this is what we're working with. We're gonna start off with the back. Catch this up out of the way. Let me grab a butterfly clip. I don't know if you guys have heard the term, but Caribbean term we call these butterfly clips. At least that's what I call them. And I know there's a clip that them call butterfly clip, but grab clip, got butterfly clip. Okay, so grabbing my aloe vera juice, I'm just going to spritz that lightly on my hair, and then I'm going to grab the Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream with, it says babasu oil. With babasu oil, that sounds so patois. And then a little bit of shea butter on my ends, and then I'll apply blue hair paint wax to the ends of my hair. And I'm just going to twist the hair up. When I'm like halfway down, I'm not going to twist the rest. I'm just going to start twirling the hair like this at the end, and then start wrapping the hair. I'll just pull it to bantu knot it, and then I have a big bantu knot there. So I have like a short twist. Push the twist from like the middle going around like this. Hopefully it comes out big and fluffy. Two reasons why I chose the twist and curl method. One, the twist will stretch my roots, and two, bantu knots will curl my ends. So I'm just gonna let it sit and dry overnight, and then I'll come back and show you guys the results tomorrow. Hey guys, so this is the next day. What? This? Oh, this is another video, which leads me into the segment. If you're not yet a part of the squad, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a squaddy. Also click the post notification bell to know whenever I do post a new video, so you don't have to miss this one when this comes out. Also, it gives you bragging rights to say that you were here before the glow up. So jumping right in, I'm just gonna take this off and I'm going to loosen up my hair. So this is exactly the next day. My edges look like trash. Just have to brush those in a little bit, even though it don't look no better. This is what the hair is looking like, and it's fully dry. I'm gonna go ahead and unravel it. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my pick and just pick my hair out at the roots. complete look of the curly fro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to bust a like, and if you're not yet a part of the squad, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also click the post notification bell to know whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.